Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best beard brush is probably one of the most important tools for any man who wants to keep their beard looking its best. A good beard brush will help to distribute your beard's natural oils, exfoliate your skin underneath, and keep your beard looking neat and tidy. Choosing the right brush can make all the difference in the health and appearance of your beard, so finding the perfect one is key to achieving that well-groomed look you desire. In this video, we'll explore the top contenders on the market, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Set. It's time to upgrade your beard game. This set includes a high-quality brush and a double-sided comb, ensuring a smooth and well-groomed beard. Easily distribute your beard oil, balm, or conditioner evenly throughout your beard with this versatile kit. Say goodbye to tangles and knots. Searching for a thoughtful present for the bearded man in your life? This set comes in an elegant velvet pouch, making it a perfect gift. It's made from sustainable bamboo and pear wood, ensuring a gentle and natural approach to beard care. You can feel good about using it. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. With this premium beard grooming set, you'll achieve the perfect beard, every time. Experience the Viking Revolution. What we like. It features natural boar bristle and pear wood, making it gentle on the skin. The included travel pouch makes it perfect for on-the-go grooming. If you appreciate high-quality, natural materials and need a portable grooming solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The comb glides through his beard smoothly without any tugging, and the brush is just the right firmness, helping to distribute oils and keep everything in place. Good build quality and material. Gentle on beard. Less pulling and tearing. The bristles brush I would consider more of a medium firmness. It worked well and I hope it has a good of a longevity as my previous brush. It's aesthetically pleasing and would be easy to carry in pocket for everyday use. Number 4. Beard Grooming Kit. It's perfectly sized to fit in your pocket, so you can groom your beard anytime, anywhere. Always look your best, no matter where you are. The boar bristle brush and wood comb massage your facial hair, stimulating natural oils and removing dirt. Keeps your beard healthy and looking great. This premium kit makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It comes in attractive packaging and includes everything he needs. It's made from durable bamboo, a sustainable material that helps reduce plastic waste. A great choice for you and the planet. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is our priority. This popular kit is selling fast at this price. Click Add to Cart to get yours before it's gone. What we like. Its compact size is perfect for travel, and the boar bristles leave your beard shiny and smooth. It even includes mustache scissors. If you're always on the go and want a complete grooming kit, this is the best option. What people say. Made with natural boar bristles, this brush is like a spa day for your beard. It distributes oils evenly, at angles like a pro, and leaves your beard looking smooth and stylish. The wood comb is no slouch either. Crafted from high-quality wood, it's gentle on your beard and tough on tangles. With a proper application of beard oil, the brush leaves my beard looking neat and feeling soft. Number 3. Viking Revolution Beard Kit. Gentlemen, elevate your beard game with this complete grooming kit. It's everything you need to keep your beard looking and feeling its best. This kit contains a boar bristle brush, wooden comb, beard balm, beard oil, and beard scissors. Everything is neatly packed in a stylish metal tin. First, detangle your beard with the brush and comb. Then, trim it to perfection. Finally, moisturize and style it with the oil and balm. Get all these premium beard care products at an incredible price. It's the ultimate gift for yourself or the bearded man in your life. This travel-friendly kit makes a perfect gift for any occasion. It's ideal for men who love to groom their beards or are just starting out. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not completely satisfied, just contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for beard care, all neatly packaged in a metal box. It offers incredible value for the money. If you want a complete beard care solution without breaking the bank, this is the perfect choice. What people say. First, the kit comes in a very nice quality box, with a hinged lid, and there are 3 types of combs in there for versatile hair care. A big bristly beard brush, a regular double-sided wooden comb, and a tiny black comb for his mustache. They rinse off easily and are nice high quality. The brush is great, the comb is solid, the scissors are first quality, and I love the beard oil and balm, and they smell great. The oil is great for a starter to very dry hair, and the balm is great for the day-to-day conditioning and grooming. Leaves hands soft and smelling nice, as well as my face is being moisturized and helps with itchy flaky skin beard face. Biggest aspect I like is that it does not leave a oily greasy residue. Number 2. ZilberHaar Beard Brush. This brush is meticulously crafted for the modern man. It features 100% natural boar bristles and pear wood for superior quality and performance. Engineered in Germany, it's built to last a lifetime. Experience the difference of quality craftsmanship. The stiff boar bristles gently exfoliate your skin, promoting healthy beard growth and relieving itchiness. It's perfect for short to medium-length beards. It naturally straightens and softens your beard, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Use it with your favorite beard oil or balm for optimal results. It makes a thoughtful gift for any bearded gentleman. Add it to a beard grooming kit or start a new beard care routine. We stand behind our products. This brush comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you can enjoy it for years to come. Instructions are included inside the packaging. At 6 inches long, it's the perfect size for comfortable and effective beard grooming. Experience the ZilberHaar difference today. What we like. Made with stiff boar bristles, it's excellent for beard growth and straightening. The German engineering ensures lasting quality. If you prioritize quality and want a brush that stimulates growth, this is for you. What people say. The bristles are uneven for a reason. In order to exfoliate the skin, this is important. Too many beard brushes neglect this. Sure, you want to spread the beard oil and sebum, but healthy skin promotes healthy beard hair. The bristles appear to me to be 100% real boar's hair and are perfectly stiff. There's a slight curve to the hairs, and the brush itself. The hairs are cut uneven, making the brush work through the beard really well. Original boar bristle brush, as the seller declared. Due to its boar bristles, my skin is much exfoliated now than before, and no dead skin dandruff under the dense areas. Number 1. Viking Revolution Ultimate Kit. This holiday season, give the gift of grooming. Our ultimate beard kit has everything he needs to look and feel his best. Inside, you'll find a boar bristle brush, a wooden comb, sandalwood beard oil and balm, and beard trimming scissors. All in a convenient metal tin. First, detangle with the brush and comb. Then, trim with the scissors. Finally, moisturize and style with the oil and balm for a perfect look. This kit offers incredible value. You get all the best beard care products in one convenient set at a fantastic price. It's the ideal gift for any man, whether he already has a beard or is just starting to grow one. It's also perfect for travel. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, just contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This kit includes a boar brush, wood comb, sandalwood balm and oil, and scissors, all in a stylish metal tin. The sandalwood scent adds a luxurious touch. If you're looking for a premium, complete grooming experience, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The brush is very nice. The oil relieves my chin itch and softens my wiry white hairs. The balm has moderate hold, which is enough to tame the unruly rascals mostly. Both absorb well and have a light scent, which is great considering my mustache is directly under my nose. The brush is great. Just the right size and shape for me. The bristles hold up well to cleaning. The oil does a nice job of softening my beard and keeping it feeling hydrated. The beard balm has done an excellent job of suggesting which way the hairs should lay. It's not crunchy or gross, but it has some hold. It's made my beard look a lot cleaner and fuller. The brushes are also nice. It really is a game changer. Helps the hair lay the right way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.